YouTube, what is up? What is up? It is the Internet Income Ninja back with another video. I am inviting you to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment, and share. Today's video is about a job lead that is a remote work from home job. I'm going to be very quick with this one. Oh, and don't forget to check the links in the description below, because those links teach you how to make money online. Those links teach you how to build your own business to earn $1,000 per day. So instead of exchanging your time for money, you can exchange a skill for money, and that skill can continue earning you money even when you're sleeping, even when you're out playing, even when you're driving to your families, like visiting your parents, anything. It runs even if you are doing nothing, because it leverages the power of websites, apps, and so much tech. So check those links out in the description. Now, if you want to start a business and you are looking for a job to make some money to reinvest in yourself, then you can check this one out. It is a customer support specialist at a company called Osano. Okay. Osano is a company that deals with privacy and security of websites. So this is their website here, and if you want to learn more about them, you can click this link, which opens up their website. So they help you manage your privacy program, so you don't have to worry about the risk of non-compliance. It's easy to use. In 5 minutes, your website will go from a risky liability to an industry-leading example of how to do privacy right, and that is what they do. And they are big experts at doing these things, and you will be working with a pretty solid company. Okay, now they want you to work remotely, and I believe this is USA and Canada. I need to double check that, but for now it is definitely for the USA. Okay, so it's remote full-time, and Osano is hiring a multitasker who can handle and deliver on competing priorities and deliverables. Your can-do attitude inspires your team, and your speed in accomplishing tasks helps you thrive in a fast-paced, evolving environment. Your incredible attention to details enables you to identify and resolve problems quickly while you gather and analyze information accurately. You are technically sophisticated and can read through messages quickly for content and routing to specific departments. You have the ability to take complex ideas and communicate them, and your superior communication skills enable you to get your point across completely and effectively. Your adaptability and resourcefulness to drive results create a direct impact at Osano. We value candidates from all walks of life and are focused on building a diverse team. If you are interested in being part of our inclusive, mission-driven, venture-backed tech startup where you can do good and do well, say hi. Now, your responsibilities will be providing Tier 1 support to customer inquiries, reviewing and determining the next course of action based on message content, determining the next steps that meet customer needs quickly and accurately, maintaining accurate information and closing support requests in a timely manner, upholding our service level agreement of 4 business hour response time to all incoming requests. Qualifications: flexible, well organized, and the ability to work in a fast-paced startup. Ability and desire to work independently. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. 2+ years of relevant experience in a high-volume comparable support role at a tech company. Proficient in learning new software. Experience using a software ticketing system similar to Jira, Help Scout, or Zendesk. Experiencing live chatting with customers. Now, the benefits or the perks of this job: ownership, interest, or equity in the company, so you are allowed to purchase interest or equity as a member of staff. Unlimited time off policy. It's family friendly. Great health care. It's a remote work opportunity. It's B Corp with a mission that matters and the opportunity to define the culture. So it sounds like a very flexible role, and if you want to tackle this job, just click the apply for this job button um, and you again can check out the job. You can check the company out by clicking that link, as I just did, and you can read up about the company to see if it's a, just from the feel you get of the website, to see if it is a good fit for you. Because remember, you are not only going to an interview for them to see if you can fit their company, you are also seeing if the company fits you. And when you have an abundance mindset like that, then if something doesn't serve you, then you are willing and able to walk away so that you can achieve better. No, I'm not saying that will be the case in all cases, because there are times you need to take what you get, work your way up, or work your way to something better. But what I am saying is, if it outright doesn't feel good to you, or it outright doesn't fit, don't bother. Because when you're subscribed to the Internet Income Ninja channel, these jobs and leads and ways of earning money online, they come out frequently, and that's why you need to make sure that your notifications are on, so that when the video drops, your phone alerts you and you can be the first to watch the video. Because when you're the first, you are ahead of the competition. If something is saturated and you come in after it's saturated, you have a higher competition rate. But if you are first, then the competition is lower. Alright, so again, check the links in the description below. Apply for this if it sounds like something you'd like to do, or if you know someone who this falls right in their field, go ahead and let them know about it. Or you could just share the video, like the video, comment on the video, and that helps the channel grow. So thanks so much for your help. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for sharing. And again, I ask you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. If you don't want to, it's fine. If you do, it's fine. But I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe and hit the notification bell. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming again. I wish you all the best in your online money making ventures, especially the ones where you followed the link in the description below. Again, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.